Partnerships are not created by partners. We think we're creating a partnership together, right? So here we've got a partnership because we're clear that together we're having to produce a film to actually help leaders and HR directors out there think about change in the future and what they can do about it. So it's the purpose that's creating our partnership, not us creating the purpose. It's the same with organizations, but the purpose is always changing, and the purpose isn't just created by the organization. The purpose comes from the organization asking the question, what can we uniquely do, given our position, our competencies, our network, our people, our resources, what can we uniquely do that the world of tomorrow needs? So the purpose is co-created between the organisation and its stakeholders. Each stage, the purpose changes because the world around us changes.